Hey everybody, Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com. I want to look at Zscaler today, and this is why. The thing's just breaking out. It had been tightening here at around 160, and then just a couple days ago, I think this was what, Friday? Yeah, Friday this really broke out nicely on high volume. Okay, that was back here. And then the very next day we got a continuation. This was a gap and run. This thing didn't even come back and test the prior day's range in any way. It just kind of gapped up and kept going. And I'm sure you know why that is with everything that's going on. And we've got even heavier volume here. So as I look at this stock, I see a stock that's been in a range for a while. It's just kind of been, you know, it's been just like it was kind of captured back here, and then finally it's running out to the upside. So as I look at this stock, and they don't report earnings for almost 2 months, as I look at this stock, I could easily see this thing running up. We'll see if I'm right. I could easily see this thing running up to 200 just in a series of zigzags here. So I will track this, and it's not, guess what? This is not. This is not a prediction. This is something that I do. I call it envisioning. You know how they do stupid stuff like, you know, oh, we're going to defund the police and reimagine law enforcement. Okay, this is kind of like that, only not as stupid. This is something that I'll do when I'm looking at a stock and I'm going, okay, seems to me like I've seen this pattern 98,000 times before. So what's it got to do to show me that yes, I'm right, that I think that this stock is doing what I think it's going to do? So rather than me just kind of take a new look at it every single day, where my view might be different depending on how much sleep I had last night, whether I had sour cream in my coffee, any number of things, whether I'm agitated or sleepy, where I might look at a chart differently, I'll draw stuff like this in a moment of lucidity. At least that's what I think. And then as the stock marches on, it's either going to prove me correct or it's not. And this is why I'm saying this, because right now, as long as the stock marches along something like this, and typically I'll just draw little vertical lines as if they're bar chart here. But as long as the stock's doing this, then I'll hang through the swings. I'll still hold this here, maybe buy a little more up here, but I'll hold through the swings. But if the stock does this, well, then that's something different, and I'm going to totally stay away from it because it's just not what I envisioned. And so we're not reimagining things here. We're just imagining what the stock would do if it's something that we're going to make a trade on, a profitable trade. So guys, that's what I'm looking for. Members over to the strategy session, our active trades are all doing really well, particularly Meta. Now, if you're a freebie here, you're not a member of our service, that's okay. I'll get you sooner or later. But you should be making bank. You should be making bank on Meta, because I've been giving this away on our free chart list. We've had members in here for a while, but I've been giving this away to you. And so what I'll just tell you is just stay long this stock. You want to talk about envisioning something. I envision this thing just continuing to march up for a while. My bet is 350 is a good target. So that's all I got for you. By the way, again, if you haven't joined, you got a 14-day trial on Stock Market Mentor. So give us a try. Who knows? You might even like it.